Ready to transform your Wix site from just another online presence into a polished, professional powerhouse that captivates your audience? Today, we're diving deep into actionable strategies to make your Wix website look undeniably professional, boosting credibility and user experience in under 90 seconds. First, master your brand identity. Consistency is key. Ensure your chosen color palette and fonts are used uniformly across every page, from your header and footer to buttons and text blocks. Next up, Imagery. Ditch the blurry, amateur photos. They scream unprofessional. Invest in high-quality, relevant images that tell your story and showcase your offerings in the best possible light. Think about navigation. A complex, confusing menu will send visitors running. Keep it intuitive, logical, and easy to find. Your users should effortlessly discover what they need without a second thought. Embrace the power of clean layout. White space isn't just empty space. It's breathing room. Use it to separate content, guide the eye, and prevent your site from feeling overwhelming. Organize your information with clear headings and logical content blocks. Finally, ensure all your essential information is easily accessible. Contact details, social links, and clear calls to action should be prominent. This builds trust and encourages engagement. By implementing these simple yet powerful design strategies, you'll create a Wix website that not only looks professional, but also resonates deeply with your target audience, driving credibility and conversions.